Hi there, it's Mike Smith from the IamLife.com, and today I'm taking a look at a cloud-based software package that's called Instant Video Pages. Nice little product, really easy to use, easy to install, and solves what I always considered kind of a pain in the neck problem that really used to frustrate me because there are times when I just need a real quick video to put up, a video page to put up on a site that I'm now promoting, and I just want to throw a quick video up without having a lot of to do to make it. Literally, create a page in minutes instead of hours. I've got some really nice video creation software, but some of it is way too complicated. It provides way too many features and functions that I just have no use for because all I want to do is put a quick video up. So Instant Video Pages kind of solved that problem, and I thought it solved it very nicely. Um, it's a relatively inexpensive plugin. It provides a lot of features and functions, even though it still kept them simple. And probably the easiest way to show you is to maybe take a look at it real quickly, and we'll just jump into it. Okay, so let's just go in here and take a quick peek. We'll get this thing centered out here. Let's log in. I'm going to log in. This is the welcoming page that you'll see. It's a very simple, straightforward page. You'll notice up the top you've got pages, tutorials, and support links. Support, typical Brett Rutecki and Mike from Maine support. Send in a request, email request, and they'll get back to you very quickly. We'll take a look at that. Tutorials, there's 3 tutorials in here. One of them is on the actual operation of this, and the others are for other purposes, and I'll show you those in a minute. The pages, this is where we do all the work. This is where we're going to create these video pages. And so we'll just enter that section and take a look at it. Here would be the dashboard when you enter into to create your page. Create new, this would be the place where we would create a new page. You'd put a page name in and save that page. And now that page would be down here. And if you want to, now when you go to create the page to build the content, you'll go over here and edit it. Let me show you one that I just finished playing with a day or so ago, and it makes it easier to see. This here is, this is the entry screen. There's not a lot, and then it's not complicated. Page name. This is something you'll put in so that you can remember what this page was created for. The user or the visitors will never see this here. It's only for your purposes, so you can keep track of and quickly remember what was that video page for. The title, though, is something that the visitor will see. So this should be something relative to what this page is all about. The headline, this will be a headline that goes up above the video, and so you'd want to make this something that would capture their attention, make the video stand out. Video page, the page font color, you can select a font that you like. Now I'm going to use a dark background, so I'm going to use the color of white. The texture, this is a selection of different textures that you can choose. I like this dark metallic, so I'm going to use that. Background video, you can actually put your own background video. If you've got a particular video background that you want to put in the behind the actual video itself, this would where you would do that. You can select stock videos. This is I actually chose this one right here because I sort of liked it. But these are fairly nice little videos that you can put in there. They give you some motion and they look pretty nice. I'm just going to use that one, so that's the one I've selected. Now, the main video, this is where you would place the YouTube video code, and one of the tutorials shows you, in case you don't know how to grab that video code to use it. One of the things about the videos you'll see in the tutorial video, this field here doesn't show because it was actually added later by the developer of this product because he realized and recognized an issue that a lot of people would like to use something other than YouTube to be able to display their videos. So YouTube currently has some problems. It provides a lot of distractions. If you have a very nice video up there, which you've directed your traffic to, they immediately get bombarded with other links that they can easily click to leave your video because they get distracted easily from some of these extra links that are shown on the screen. So as my case here, I use Vidyz, which is VIDYZ. I use Vidyz because it lets me control the who and how my videos look, and it has zero distractions in it to maybe get them to move away from the video. So that's the custom code. We have whether you want it to autoplay, yes or no. The video end redirect. The video. This is where people would go if the video ends and they haven't done anything in the interim. If they let the video play to the end, it will automatically redirect to a URL that you specify. And what I've done is specify a URL that's back at one of my home sites. You also can select yes or no to use a timer. And if you do select yes to get the timer, you'll enter some timer text because it'll prompt some scarcity to the people that are visiting this bonus. Maybe you'll say, hey, my bonus goes away in 2 days, okay? You can have a countdown date. This is, in fact, I clicked 29th. You could actually select the date that you want your timer to end. Countdown time. This would be, some particular time of the day that you want it to end. You also can select to use a call to action button, yes or no. And if you do select yes, then you'll place the button text, like click here to get your bonus, some button text color, and the button URL. This URL now can be different than this URL up here because you might have two different places you want them to go. If they do a call to action, you want them to go here. If they haven't taken any other action, they will go to this particular location here. So it gives you a couple of alternatives to steer your visitors to an appropriate place. Down here, custom code is, and I haven't put anything in here. Excuse me, please. But it could be used for retargeting code, for Facebook retargeting. It could be used for a special pop-up that you have, et cetera, et cetera. So you can make your own decisions on how you want this if you want to use this or not. But it is there and it's available to you. Once you've done this part here, you can actually go in and preview it before you save it. And this would be to take a look at what it looks like, because you may want to go back and make a change. So if we hit preview, it would actually show and here is the video that we've just created. Now you'll notice it's not such a bad looking video. I mean, it's fairly professional. It looks good. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. And it's, here's a clickable link, et cetera, et cetera. So this is what that would look like. Now we're going to go ahead and save that and exit it. So now we've saved that and exited. And at this point now we could go back in and take a quick look at it. And there we go. So here we go. It's nice looking video. Kind of shows off your talents, which again, you did this in about 2 minutes. Okay. So I guess the thing I would say is this is a nice product. It's not very expensive. It can create a real nice video page for you. If you wanted to make sure you could just link this by someone else linking it, you could actually grab the link. If someone goes to this location right here, they will see that video. So you could place this link within a page or a post to steer people to that page. All in all, not a bad little program. You might want to just take a look at it. There'll be more information. There'll be more information down below this video, down over there someplace. You might want to take a look at it. It's relatively inexpensive. It's easy to use, easy to install, and it can create really nice looking video pages pretty darn fast. So I approve it. I think it's a great product. So if you have would like to have any more information on it, click the link down below and see what we can do for you. So I'm going to leave it at that. It's a nice product. Hope you can use it. I'd just like to leave you a fond farewell and take care of yourselves. Stay in good health, which is we all need to do. I'll talk to you later on another video. I hope. It's Mike Smith from the I Am Life bidding you farewell. Bye now.